Hi, this is Mr. Vance Group TV. Today, let's talk about the RAV4 XLE Premium. This review is not the same as the review from the mechanic or the sellers. I just want to tell everybody about what I have seen on the RAV4 for the last 3 months that we use it for work. Actually, I come to realize that the manufacturer of the RAV4, they simplify everything in order to fit the average consumer. As you can see here, everybody is talking about what they have, what we have, and the new model of the cars. But for me, I will give you the things that I have seen that is good. For example, now I have a 19-inch tire. With the rim, it's simple. And the tire, it's good. Also the brakes, the rotor is good after 3 months, and then this is the brake pad, and it is all well and good, as you can see. And one thing more, they painted everything, every metal below the car, especially the frames, because they knew very well that when it comes to winter, we have salt. This one, you have the side mirrors, they put light in it. It is heated. LED lights, and here we have the radiator, the fog light, tire and brakes. It's the spring is coil spring for the shock absorbers. On the inside, actually this is a premium model, okay? They make it very simple. The dashboard, everything the same. The concept is everything on all the cars that we have in our world. But sometimes the good manufacturer will go the extra mile so that he can give an extra credit to the clients or to the consumers. So I have here leather seat, baseboard. The shifter is just simple as any other car. Parking, reverse, neutral, and then drive. Then I have the radio, the display, and one thing more, this one is I like it. They make this one for you to hold it. You can hold it here and it is strong, not like the other cars. But again, the Japanese are honest and they want to give us a good product. At the back, it's the same. Leather seats, floor mats. By the way, I bought a steering wheel lock, and this one cannot be copied because the key is computerized. At the top, well, they put this one so that when we put something for the cargo, we have to buy only the fixations. The antenna is all the same in other cars, and this one is, there is a sunroof. As I said, everything is the same as the others. At the back, it's typical. Then one thing more that I want to show is, by the way, this one they give a 10-year warranty about corrosion for the metal and frame, the chassis, and at the bottom of the car, I will show you. As you can see, they are able to put a protection. It's plastic. You see? Just to protect it from salt, because every time it is winter with the snow, the local government will put salt on the roads. As you can see, everything is corrosion protected, and then primed, and then painted. And that is also, for my own opinion, something that the manufacturer give to the consumers, so that everybody is happy. You pay for your car, and then you like it too. At the side, on the bottom, as you can see, they put all plastic now. It is all covered, and I thank the RAV4 manufacturer about that. They even put aluminum there because the exhaust is hot most of the time, so they put aluminum for protection. And I like it also, the exhaust muffler, they use a very good steel. They use a very good metal. It cannot be just corroded. You see, as you can see, this is my catalytic converter. See the kind of metal that they use. The welds are very good, excellent weldings. You know, that's why I like this car. And most of the world who owns one, of the people who owns one, they love it too. You see the muffler? I don't know if that metal is chrome plated or something, so that it will be protected from corrosion. And again, there is a 10-year warranty about the chassis anti-corrosion. For anti-corrosion, they do it well now. You see the paint? They painted good. Those are the things that I really want on this car, because the others, every car has one. The other amenities. Now we will go to the engine, and also in the engine they made sure that even you don't know much about car, you can understand it and you can do it yourself. You see, it is protected, painted with corrosion resistance and prime. We'll open it. I want to open the hood. Okay, this is it. No, this one. That's it. You see, this one can be opened also for the sunroof. Okay. I need to take out this one. So, by the way, this is the engine. You see this one are the relays and the fuses. So they put two, that means they separate each side. Relay and fuses, right side. Relay and fuses, left side. So again, they simplify the electrical system. So if it is left that has trouble, then they will just touch the left fuses and relays. Same with the other side. And one thing more that I want with Japanese cars, you see, they give us space to work on, to understand your own car, and to do some repairs if you can do it yourself. If you understand how things function on the engine and in the electrical system and electronic system, then including the air conditioning system. This is the air conditioning system. Yeah. That's what we have. And at the, you see there, they even put an aluminum to protect the mufflers at the headers, which means the exhaust headers going to the back. You see, they protect it with aluminum because of heat dissipation. If you are using the car, it heats up, the metal heats up, and it should be protected so that it won't melt the plastic parts of the engine. And for me, that is again a plus. You see, some cars, they put the batteries where you have to remove everything before you can remove the battery. Here it is open and I can remove it by myself, while the other cars you cannot remove it. It is accessible actually, and again, that is a plus for me. you simplify everything and the customer will be happy because he can do it himself or herself if he or she is able. So this is the engine. After 3 months of use, it is still in good hands. And it's still very, very new. They even put this one now here. So as they go on, they have simplified everything, and it is always good for the consumers. So this is the RAV4 XLE Premium, and most probably because of its record for reliability, it will stay with us for the next 15 or 20 years, God willing. So that's all I can say for now. And thank you for your time to watch my videos. Kindly subscribe and hit the like button if you love this kind of car. It is actually for the masses. It's about 42,000 Canadian dollars plus the taxes and everything that you want to put inside. By the way, I want to show you also the compartment so that you can see also. There is a push button here. Yeah, you see that? It is very nice. I even have a net. I will use, if I have a baggage that put here on the floor, I will cover it with the net so it won't move. You see? This is covered for here. If you want to put it, something like that. It is a nice one. Even at the bottom, I have a very good silencer. You see the type of metal that they use. As you can see, it's all painted good, and it has a 10-year corrosion warranty. As you can see, they protect it with plastic, the one that needs to be protected. This is not hybrid, okay? It is only ICE, internal combustion engine. Okay. That's all for now, and thank you for watching.